This is Lake Tahoe. That's in our bucket list when we plan the trip. So this is it. Oh, look at that lady. I can't do like that. I'm scared. But the water is beautiful. Look at the mountain. We still have the snow. And the surrounding is so beautiful. You can swim. The water is very clean. And the sand, very clear water. You have to pay 30 bucks for to get in here. But the sand is like, it's like sand, like a salt sand. Look. No. And the snow. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice, guys. Because it's still cold, so that's why our outfit is not fit on the beach. Look.
Yeah, but
It's very
can
cold.
we swim?
I don't know if you, because the water is very clean and clear.
Yeah, I know. But there's geese, is it?
There is what?
There's geese over there.
Geese. They have geese around. So I'm just playing the swing, guys. So we decided to have a little picnic and in the beach. So we went to Target and get food, and my friend is busy. Celine, she's the one that makes sure that we have everything, like food or snacks, that kind of thing. Then I bought a skirt, a white skirt for that I can wear in the beach. So, but still it's cold for me. It's breezy, and the wind is less like blowing cold. So I still have my long sleeve, but I don't have my sweater or jacket. So here we go. I'm just like walking around. I just want to feel what I can do in the beach. If I can wear my skirt and my bathing suit. But yes, I did, and I have that black bathing suit. So I thought that I can match that with my skirt. Then after we done with the beach, and here we are in our way. Just do the adventure, looking something around the Lake Tahoe. So here we're seeing this one. So we stop for a little bit. I guess this is like connecting to the lake. Beautiful mountain, and it's beautiful scenery. What are you doing? So we're here. At the waterfalls. Oh my God, look at this. Waterfalls. It's really beautiful. Yeah. Wag na. Oh my. Oh. Beautiful. We just see this in our road trip adventure. Oh. Isn't that nice? Very cool. Another river.
There's no oh man, yeah. You can go across the river.
Yeah. We're gonna cross. And this one is a big waterfalls. It's in the other side of the river that we stopped by and seen. So we spotted this and we moved to the left side of turnouts, and we see all these beautiful lake, beautiful waterfalls, and it's overwhelming to me. It's really good. I was just really amazed. So guys, there is a stairs going down to this waterfalls. So I'm doing it now. So this is kind of adventure that I like. Oh, look at this. This is the stairs. Oh my goodness. There you go. Oh, wow. Look at the water. Wow. Oh, I'm in the middle of water. Look. There's the water, guys. Look. Look. Oh my God. So I'm in the middle of water and the river. It's a waterfall. Oh my God. It's a overwhelming experience. Lake Tahoe is really beautiful and very a lot of nature. Oh my God. Can't believe it. Grabe guys. So beautiful, the waterfalls. Going back over here. And goes down into the lake. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We are in our way going back to the hotel, and tomorrow we are on the road again, driving, going to Crescent City. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below, guys. Thank you.